I'm Florian Schweiger, Mission Control Lead at Avilus. With Qt, we developed the primary flight control application for the ground control segment and also the peripheral software that we are using in other parts of the drone system. For instance, the cabin communication and the interface for the patient in the drone. We chose Qt for two main reasons. One is because it's very fast to implement the user interface. And the second one is that with QML, the software components are so compact that the implementation itself is almost already like the documentation that we need for verification. My favorite thing about Qt is that it is very readable and easily understandable in the project. It integrates well with all our other development systems, with the version control system, with the integration systems. And from there, it's really also about the speed of development and prototyping.